Elizabeth from Minor Rec. I'm just going to show you how easy it is to get a free estimate online at our website at minorrec.com. So you can just go to Google, type in Minor Rec, it's already here for me. You can just click on our website. Then you can click on Request No Obligation Free Estimate. And you just scroll down. And you can just go through the prompts, inputting your information in here. Alright, so the next step is to find the year, make, and model on your vehicle. You can find that on the door jamb inside your vehicle. On the driver's side, you can find the year, make, and model here. So it's a Ram Chrysler Caravan. So you just type that in where it needs to go. Your next step is to find your VIN number. You have a few places you can find your VIN number. You can find it here on your windshield. You can also find it here or inside your door. And sometimes you can find it here inside of your door. Right here, it just has it here, so we'll just use this. So your next step is to upload pictures of the damage. Right here, we'll just use the whole vehicle as an example. So you want to take a picture of all the damage, and as many pictures as you can helps us get a better estimate for you of the whole vehicle, of the whole damage, and then you want to take some close-up pictures of the damage. And if you're using a mobile device, you want to wait till it gets to 100% loaded before you try uploading another picture. Sometimes it won't upload that first picture. Not a lot of damage on our Minor Rec Express van, but if you do have a lot of damage on your vehicle, you want to get as many pictures as you can. So when you're done uploading your pictures, you want to go down to your message, and you can describe to us what happened in your accident or how it happened, and then you can just say, I just need an estimate. And after you have your message, then you can just press submit, and that's it. So that's just how easy it is to get a free estimate online at our website at www.minorrec.com. At Minor Rec Express, we're saving you time and money.